Want to start using Brevo for email marketing, contacts, or automations? In this guide, I'll show you how to create a Brevo account from scratch, verify your email, and complete the basic setup so you can get into your dashboard, without any confusion. First, open your browser and go to Brevo's website. From the home page, click the Sign Up button, usually near the top right corner. This takes you to the account creation page. Now enter the information Brevo asks for. You'll normally need your email address, a password, and a few basic details about yourself or your business. Use an email inbox you can access right away, because Brevo will send a verification message there. Next, review the terms and privacy options on the page. Check the required box, then click the button to create your account. So before moving on, make sure your email address is typed correctly. A small typo here can slow down the setup. Brevo should now send a verification email to the inbox you used. Open your email, look for the Brevo message, and click the verification link or button inside. If you don't see it after a minute or two, check your spam, promotions, or junk folder. After verification, Brevo may ask a few onboarding questions. For example, it may ask about your business, your website, your industry, or what you plan to use Brevo for. Fill these in as accurately as you can, then continue through the setup screens. Once you reach the dashboard, take a moment to check your sender information. This is the name and email address people will see when you send campaigns. You may be asked to confirm the sender email before you can send messages, so use a real business or personal email that you control. And that's it, your Brevo account is created. From the dashboard, you can add contacts, create an email campaign, build a sign-up form, or set up automations. I mean, you don't need to configure everything at once. Start with the feature you need first and build from there. You've now created and verified your Brevo account. If this guide helped, check out the next tutorial for setting up your first email campaign or adding contacts to Brevo. Thanks for watching.